Good morning, students. Now, today you see page number 145 and some chemical properties of HCl we will see. Now, the HCl changes moist litmus from blue to red, methyl orange from orange to pink, and phenolphthalein, it is an indicator from colorless to colorless, means no change is there in the final one. Then we have reactions of some metals with hydrochloric acid. Already some of the examples we have seen. Metal on reaction with hydrochloric acid will give you metal chloride and hydrogen gas. Then we have some metal oxides or metal hydroxides reaction with hydrochloric acid. They will all produce metallic chloride along with water. So any base like copper hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, if they react with HCl, they will produce the corresponding chloride and water. So basically you need to have this thing. The general equation is written in the form of words and then simply substitute the compounds over there. Then we have certain carbonates and hydrogen carbonates which on reaction with hydrochloric acid will give corresponding chlorides, water and carbon dioxide. Then some hydrogen sulfides and other sulfides of metal, when they react with HCl, they will produce corresponding chloride along with water, but this time sulfur dioxide is produced. Then we have some other metallic sulfides which on reaction with hydrochloric acid will give metal chloride and hydrogen sulfide gas. These reactions you have already learned, sulfur dioxide or H2S gas, in your practical as well in last year. Now this reaction you can see, students, silver nitrate on reaction with hydrochloric acid will give AgCl, and the downside arrow, you know what is the meaning of this. This is precipitated, means AgCl will become solid and it will precipitate it down in the jar or test tube along with HNO3. HNO3 will be in the soluble form or liquid form. Now students, you can see the uses of hydrochloric acid where they are used. Here you can see it is written in the laboratory as a reagent and for preparation of aqua regia. Now what is this aqua regia? It is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and HNO3, and then the corresponding acid is very strong acid, this aqua regia. Then in industrial level, these are the applications of HCl. You just give it a reading. Then in medicine also. Then the test for hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid, already some of the tests I have already told you, so you just give it a reading. Already we have done this one. Ammonia gas reacts with HCl gas to give NH4Cl, and these are white fumes of NH4Cl will be produced. Then we have AgNO3 with HCl. This is a solution. Solution means it is a acid. This is gas and this is acid. So AgNO3 HCl acid will give AgCl. Already we have done this equation also, so it is precipitated out, so we can know that the HCl is in the form of liquid. Then some more tests are there. So students, we have completed this chapter number 8. Do prepare well for the exams. Goodbye.